This is right before bedtime. We're a little crazy. It's time for bed and you're crazy. You tell me all about it. Tell me how you're excited to go to bed. You excited to go to bed?
2 years ago, the day of the Emmys, she ran a triathlon, then showed up in the red carpet.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stay awake. Don't you dare fall asleep. Don't do it. Don't fall asleep.
And now it's his engagement to Lisa Joyner. So
don't you fall asleep, lady.
She's excited.
We're going to get staged. Oh, very good. Well, congratulations. They married in
Are you going to pick the block up? Let me help you. There you go. Oh, boy.
That's why they keep looking at
You are crazy. Crazy. Elizabeth.